इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्ट सध्या गोंयांत चालू आसा आणि आयज व्हीलचेअर बास्केटबॉल जी फायनल गेम आशिल्ली ती म्हटल्यार कर्नाटका वर्सीस दिल्ली आणि कर्नाटकान सध्या 29 पॉयंट्स स्कोर करून दिल्लीक हरयल्लेले आसा आणि जशें तुम्ही माझ्या फाटल्यान पळोवंक शकता प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशनूच चालू आसा. ह्या प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशनाक पापसाचे MLA जॉशुआ डिसूजा येयल्लेले आसा आणि फिशरीज मिनिस्टर निलखण हलर्णकर हे सुद्धा येयल्लेले आहा प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशनाक.
आयज पर्पल फेस्ट ह्या इव्हेंटान दोन एक्टिविटी म्हाका आयज पळोवपाक गावले. वन इज द व्हीलचेअर बास्केटबॉल which is a very interesting sport. Similarly, blind football. Both sports have been uniquely displayed today, and it gives me great pride. I've played both football as well as basketball during my school days, so I was very enthusiastic to come and be part of today's event and be part of the activity in which I was able to see how wheelchair basketball is played and the manner in which the athletes have performed today and shown their skills. They may not be able to play with their legs and run with their legs, but they have shown how technically difficult it is to play basketball in a wheelchair. The ability to be able to put the ball through the basket with just the core strength, to be able to coordinate the game with one another when everybody is in a wheelchair. It's very amazing to see in the manner in which they coordinate and are able to play the sport and make it look almost like it is normally played. So it is a very exciting and very beautiful way of showing the world, showing the state of Goa that even if you are specially abled, it does not matter. You can still do what you love doing. You can still play, or you can be part of any activity as long as you have the willpower. I think the Purple Fest is all about one's mind over matter, one's power of one's brain, their ability, dedication, and support that they have to overcome all odds and ensure that they are happy just doing what they love doing. I have been able to see that through all the basketball players, whether they are on a wheelchair or whether the boys and girls playing football blindfolded. I did try kicking a ball with a blindfold on. It was a very unique experience, and I can only imagine what it is like for them to live their lives without the beautiful ability of sight. And I would like to congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Minister Bab Subhash Desai, for organizing this event and opening our eyes and making us understand how lucky we are to have all our abilities and all our senses, and at the same time giving a platform for the specially abled people to come out and show their talents and to show their skills. Similarly, I would like to thank all the organizers and everybody that has made this event possible. It is not easy to do this and not easy to be part of this, but yet everybody has shown. And based on what feedback I've got over the last 2 years, we can see a lot of response from the state of Goa. We can see a lot of youngsters coming forward from the state of Goa, especially abled children coming forward from the state of Goa. And it has opened their eyes and given them a sense of hope that even though I may have special abilities, I may lack the ability to walk, but my upper body strength or my vision or my ability of sound is way more superior than everything else. So in this, people understand the value of the senses available to them. Again, I would like to thank everybody for organizing and allowing me to be part of today's event.
पर्पल फेस्ट केला हे युनीक एक हें जालें कॉम्पिटिशन सोड, पूण हे जाणून दिता लोकांक म्हणजे इन पब्लीक की तेंची कॅपेसिटी आनी तेंचें जी तान भूक आहा ती लोकां पर्यंत पळोवपाक, लोकां पर्यंत पावपाक आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी नॉर्मल मनशांनी, नॉर्मल सिटीजन ते सोशल वर्कर आहा हेंकां जाणीव दिवपाक आनी जाणून आमी घेवपाक की फुडें हे स्पेशल लोकां खातीर आमी कितें करप. कारण जे तरेन तेंचे खंय तरी स्पेशलिटी आहा तितून आयज ते अशें दाखयता, एन्थुरिजम दाखयता, उमेद दाखयता आनी त्या प्रमाणे ते कश्टय करता. तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता हें तांकां नॉर्मल मनशा बरोबर इक्वल स्टेटस आसपाक जाय, आसतलो. आनी हें जावपा खातीरूच हें येदो व्हडलो इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फिस्ट केला ह्या माध्यमान संबंद देशान जावं इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाक हेजें आनीक म्हत्व कळोन जातलें आनी हो केल्या उपरांत खरोखरच म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर तरी आमचे लोक प्रत्येक दिसान येवन अवेरनेस जावन जावन कळ्ळें की स्पेशल जो मनीस आहा हेजे कडेन कॅपेसिटी आहा नॉर्मल मनशा ते कमी प्रमाणात आनी तेंचो परत आहा तसो तांकां इक्वल स्टेटस मेळपा खातीर
प्रुडंटा खातीर सायन मांद्रेकर.